Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you about our baccalaureate degree plans here at ECU. We like to call them our BDPs. These BDPs are simply guides that show you what courses to take while you're at your community college that will transfer into your intended major here at ECU. So to begin, this is the website where you'll find our BDPs for each undergraduate major, just noting that they are listed in alphabetical order. Please keep in mind that any prior credit that you're bringing to ECU that's not a part of your community college coursework may make your transfer plan to the university look a little bit different, and that is totally okay. These plans are just simply guides to help you. So for our first example, we're going to be looking at a management transfer plan. So this person is an example student that is working on their associate in art degree, and they want to transfer into our BSBA in management in the College of Business with a concentration in management. So this is what a BDP looks like. As you can see, the left column shows the North Carolina Community College courses, and the right column shows the ECU course it will transfer as. So for example, the Math 152 course over here on the left will transfer to ECU as Math 2283 with 4 credits awarded. The plan also suggests when to take the courses by year, so your first year in your community college and your second year right here. Please note it is so important that you research your major on ECU's website to see which courses on the plan are required to declare the major. So important to research your major before you transfer, as nearly every single undergraduate degree has specific prerequisite courses and GPA requirements. Second thing that I want to emphasize is the different colors of these classes here on the left. So first off, we have our courses that are listed in red. These are our UGETC courses right here, and that stands for Universal General Education Course. And these are a set of 30 semester hours of courses that will meet freshman and sophomore lower division general education requirements at every single UNC institution. Some courses on the BDP are listed in blue. These courses are classified as CAA courses. So that stands for Comprehensive Articulation Agreement. And these will fulfill ECU degree requirements and your AA/AS requirement. Last but not least, our courses here in green. These are pre-major or elective courses, and these would be any ECU specific courses that you need for your major. Note that these definitely do still count toward your AA or your AS program, but they would also be pre-major or elective sections of your degree. And we do want to let you know that all colors, red, green, and blue, are all approved by the CAA. Now, let's scroll down to the bottom of this BDP. We can see that this BDP does include the requirements to declare this major. So that's why I mentioned it's so important that you read the BDP in its entirety, just so that you understand not only the classes that you have to take, but maybe the most important ones that are required to declare the major as well. So let's look at another example. Let's look at someone who wants to transfer into our BSN program, who is working on their associate in science degree. All right, so let's look at this purple section. So it says bio class right here is suggested to be taken between the first and second year of the associate degree so that this applicant is eligible for admission to the College of Nursing. So that kind of indicates that there's an additional application to the major. So let's scroll to the bottom to see if there's more info. And there definitely is. So if you look at this pink box, it says students should contact the College of Nursing to make sure that they are ready to apply to the BSN program. So this means the student definitely does need to submit an additional application to both ECU and the College of Nursing. So if we were to click on this recommended link, we can navigate to the College of Nursing website. Now, when you go to any program website, whether it's math or biology or nursing, you want to look for a tab that says prospective students, because that's where you're going to find the info that you're looking for. So any prerequisites or courses or GPA requirements needed to declare the major, that's where you're going to find that information. All right, so my last piece of advice is not necessarily an example of the BDP. It's just some advice as a student who wants to transfer to ECU. So if you're at your community college and you have no idea what you want to major in and you don't want to pinhole yourself into a major just yet, here's what we would suggest. Familiarize yourself with the North Carolina CAA agreement and work with your academic advisor to take the classes you need to fulfill the program that you're working on. And for the rest, just take the UGETC courses, okay? Those Universal General Education Transfer courses, because you know that those are guaranteed to transfer into any school in the UNC system. And as you can see, these courses are laid out really well for you. This is the CAA agreement for North Carolina. And so you can see exactly what you're taking and how it is going to be designated here in the UNC system. All right, everyone. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope this workshop was super helpful. If you have any additional questions, let us know. Our email address is piratepromise@ecu.edu. Thanks, and go Pirates!